Hi guys! To see how I got this makeup look, keep watching! I already put on my foundation this morning and I did my eyebrows and it's holding up really good. And I will link everything below that I'm using on my face and that I already used. For bronzer, I'm going to use my Physicians Formula. And I'm using some of my Garnier roller for this scar on my neck and under my eyes. My face has been breaking out so bad. Hormones. For blush, I am going to use Milani Luminoso. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Carly Bible Deluxe palette. And I'm going to use this orangey brown color first. And I'm going to darken it up on the lid with a flat eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to use my clean fluffy brush to blend that in. Next, I'm using my Lorac Pro Metal palette, and I am using this blue, which is a cobalt. And I'm using the same brush and just putting it on the outer corner into the crease just to lift my eye a little. You can see just that little bit of darkness, how much it lifted this eye up compared to the other one. And again, I'm going to blend that out. And touch up the orange again. For my waterline, I'm going to use Revlon Color Stay in Sapphire. And I'm using the cobalt blue eyeshadow underneath my lash line. I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible Super Slim Eyeliner. And I'm going over the wing with the cobalt blue eyeshadow. Next, I'm using this white quartz color. For my cheeks, I'm using my e.l.f. in Moonlight Pearls. For mascara, I'm using L'Oreal Voluminous Million Lashes in Blackest Black. I am having such a hot flash, you guys. For the past couple weeks, I have been having freezing cold flashes, like the opposite of a hot flash, where I'm so cold, I'm just shivering and wrapped up in a blanket, and literally 1 minute later I'm like pouring sweat, and then a minute later I'm freezing cold. It just keeps alternating. And I started a new thyroid medication, so I have a feeling that my body is trying to balance out. So this morning I went and had blood work done, and my husband filmed me. I'll show you guys a clip of it here. Did you see Bad Mom's Christmas?
I haven't seen it. I seen the first one.
You just sticking me with the needle made me think of
why
one part in the movie. I shouldn't tell you because I'll wreck it for
don't.
you.
I have to look for it. I haven't seen it.
Alright, so remember this when you watch it. There's one part in the movie where a guy goes in and gets waxed.
Yeah.
So I want you to remember that and think about
when you're sticking a needle in someone and when he's getting waxed.
I thought it was gonna be stupid, so I wasn't interested in watching it.
It was
so
stupid, but it was stupid funny.
And then my cousin was like, "No, you should really watch it.
Yeah.
It's funny." And he's a male, so if he thought it was funny, then
It
I'm
was
like, "Oh."
funny.
So
It
then
was
I watched it, and it was good.
And I met this woman in the waiting room named Diane. Hi, Diane. She was so sweet. And we exchanged Poshmark names. And she's got so much cool stuff on there. Her name is Diane A. And her Poshmark name is CHIARINA1023. If you want to follow her on Poshmark. And my Poshmark name is Beauty 101 by Lisa. And for lips, I am going to use my Rimmel Stay Glossy in Non-Stop Glamour. I am loving these extensions so much. It's so quick to do my hair. I just pop them in, and I just did 2 little braids and just bobby pin them in. I also have a full tutorial on the hair extensions, how I cut, colored, and styled them. If you want to check that out, I will link it below, and it's on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye!